Alright everybody, welcome to your 43rd AngularJS tutorial. And not really, this is not an AngularJS tutorial, but just a journal tutorial to inform you about a new web portal which I have developed. And pretty much what this web portal is about is that you could actually take your hands down and learn and interact with other coders while you're learning a new language, or just brushing up your skills in a language you already know or have learned via videos on Codedam or any other website. So this is the web portal, which is dev.codedam.com, and yes, I still do have the codedam.com site live, and I'm gonna just link the two in about a couple of days or something. And yes, I do have the form as well live right now, so you could use all three websites if you like. You could ask questions on form, and then you could practice on dev.codedam.com. And pretty much looks like I'm signed in right now, so I'm gonna log out and show you how this works. So you could either log in on sign up, so I'm gonna sign up for now, and it gives you three options, rather four, to sign up with your email address or Facebook, Google, and Twitter. And let's say I'm gonna go with Facebook because I'm already logged in for it, and it automatically redirects me to the dashboard. So once you're in dashboard, what you'll see is pretty much the available courses here, which I have added from the backend. And remember, I just need to do these tasks manually, so it might take me a bit of time to add new languages and new courses. But for now, I have some tasks for HTML and CSS, and some tasks for AngularJS as a demo for you guys. And I'm gonna constantly push this list over and over and add new languages for you guys so that you could learn even more. Well, apart from this, we have this chat area, so you could just start chatting, and it would just show you that you need to log in first into this gitter.im, which I'm using for the chat client. So you could just probably log in. And okay, so once you're in the dashboard, you have to just click on any language. So let's just say if I go with HTML and CSS, so it shows me this HTML CSS hello world. And right on the left hand side, you'll see that there's a bit of description about what you have to do in this mission. And underneath it is the goals, which is the list of things you need to accomplish in this task. So it says me display hello world in the emulator. This is your emulator screen, which is the white sort of a mini browser which would display whatever you write in here inside this white screen. So what this goal says for us now is display hello world. So I'm gonna write hello world, and now I can either just run this code or hit control enter, just like it is mentioned. So I'm gonna hit control enter, and as you can see that this turns green. That means this task is completed, and when all goals would be completed, this pop-up would be shown to the user in case and you could just proceed to the next task. Or if you want to just play around a little bit, just close this and you could just probably play around it. So once you're done with this, you could just go ahead again and click on the next task. So you could see the mission list from here. You can see right now I have about 1 2 3 4 5 10 tasks added in the list, but you have unlocked only 2. So as you proceed further, you would unlock more and more tasks. So that is pretty much it for HTML CSS, and you could make use of these useful tools, which is live discussion, join chat room. You could actually join a chat room right now, so that right now there are no people online. So when there will be, then you could chat with other developers who are live on the website and making some awesome code challenges, and you could even ask for help or do whatever you want to. And then we have this two pages right here, request a feature. And okay, so looks like it's broken. Oh yeah, I remember that this link was actually not request a feature or request a feature like that. No. Okay, so I'll just take a look at this. This should not be broken. And then we have this report a bug. So this is a page for bug reports. So I have mentioned all the information. You could just go ahead and read them, and you could submit this to my email address as well. Well, that's pretty much it for this thing. And then we have, I guess I've coded this leaderboard as well. And yeah, once you start coding with your tasks, this green bar would progressively increase and would show you how much you have done. So right now, since I have 10 tasks and you have completed one, so you have completed 10% of the course if you're good at math. Otherwise, you are at 0 for Angular, and then you could go to this leaderboard right there. And right now, since there's only one person, that is me, on this website, because this is extremely new and launched just now, so it shows me only one user with a rank of 1, and these points are decided on the criteria how many tasks you have done, and then this percentile is just the, the first one gets 100 percentile, and then so on and so forth. So you could probably just log out of it as well. And I guess there are some problems with the skitter.im with my internet connection itself, because it's unable to resolve the DNS address of Gitter. And here we go. So you should not probably face that, and you could just log out of it. So I really would appreciate your response on this, and I could really, appreciate if you provide any sort of effort or feedback on how I can improve this. And you could even contribute, I guess I on this report a bug page, I guess I even have this column where I say heroes without cape, where I would hardly mention out your name and your Twitter handle or your website URL if you just show your support to website and contribute to like valid bugs or anything which is you consider that is important for me to fix or implement on the website. So I guess that's pretty much it for this video tutorial, and please give it a look and let me know how this works out. So I'm gonna just keep improving this layout and all that stuff you want. And then yeah, so that's all for this tutorial, and if you like this, then don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.